Bro, don't scare my birds, man, for real. Let my birds eat in peace, bro. Know what I mean? Come on, man. Oh, he just pecked the shit out of his ass. Oh, that must be the baby. You see, he just put some shit in his mouth. Look. That's what they do. They chew it up. Look. No, right here. Don't move. Look. The bird begging. Look. Don't move. Look. That joint right there begging like a bitch. That must be the baby. The other bird just came and put some shit in his mouth. No, he begging. Look. No, he begging. Straight bucked on his ass. He ain't get shit. He don't even know how to eat yet. Oh, he wild. Look, he begging like a bitch. He begging. Look. That must be his mama. That nigga like hit me off. I'm dangling out this bitch. You better learn how to peck, nigga. Your ass will starve around this bitch. Yeah. Anybody don't give you nothing. Anybody don't give you shit out here. Better get it yourself, nephew. Look, there goes mama. He can start begging again. And you better get your begging ass. Look at all the food out there. All the goddamn food. You still out there begging. Oh, look. I want begging too. Look. It's a lot of baby. Begging ass. Look. Stop begging. Look, he chasing. Look, he done picked him something up. That nigga done picked up a cigarette butt. He threw that bitch down too. He think the cigarette butt chicken. Look, big, straight bucked on his ass. Look, they eating everything. Hot pockets, burritos. Nigga, this is what we do in the hood, nigga. These hood birds. Yeah, get it in.